The RSI SmartCap EVOa turned our Chevy Colorado ZR2 into an overlanding adventure truck. We have no affiliate or relationship with SmartCap. This is just our honest opinion after doing tons of cap research and using our cap for overlanding for the past few months. It only took a couple of hours to assemble and install, plus a few friends with some muscle to help lift and mount the cap on top of the truck bed. This cap is super rugged. It's made of strong automotive-grade stainless steel, which means it's perfect for supporting a roof rack, our rooftop tent, and any other gear that you might want to mount to your truck. Of course, Tigger and Penelope were there as part of the install crew. An added bonus, since it's magnetic, you can easily attach magnetic accessories like outdoor lights. It only comes in one color, matte black, the perfect accent to any overlanding rig. The cap locks, keeping all your gear safe and secure when you're out on adventure. But you have to lock it or unlock it with the key. There is no auto lock. Both the side and rear panels open, which makes accessing all your gear a real snap. Smart caps are well designed with plenty of add-on accessories that can be mounted inside the cap, on the molly panels, or even on the roof. We think the RSI SmartCap EVOa is the premier overlanding and adventure cap, but let us know what you think in the comments. You can catch up with us on our current adventure. We're in BAJA Mexico. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure.